What's up, YouTube? Alright, I finally got my halo and down bars. Oh man, it's been a long time. But about to throw it up in here today, mock it up, weld it, we'll tack it, and then drop it all down. Alright, so here they are. Get the bars, got the halo. I got some stuff to hold it in. Way closer. Alright, so I'm using my trusty strap here to get my halo kind of fitted in, so you can tell. It looks pretty good up here. Just running along. I haven't notched it to the main bar yet, or the main hoop yet, but I'm about to notch that and notch this and get it fit in there real tight, and then I'll tack it. So it's like important to not flip this one way or the other, because I have it fit in one way and I don't want to flip it, so I've been checking it over and over again, make sure I know which side's which. I had it marked earlier, but I took all the marks off, so I know that this is how it goes in the car. So this is passenger, driver's side, and then I run off of that, so I know what I need to fix, or what I need to shape. So right now, that's what it looks like. I've got a mark right here, and it's gotta come, like this right here's gotta come off. All this is good so far. Like this is gonna pull up in there real good. Same thing on this side. I've got a mark. That's where I need to cut. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm about to throw it back up in there and see what it looks like. I got the halo in here, all notched up. This side's real tight. I like it a lot. But this side, I don't know, I kept moving around with it, so it's still pretty tight, but I gotta pull this together whenever I tack it, and it'll be pretty good. This one's like, I just have it strapped in. I think it's ready to go. This thing just needs to be pulled in, pull it together like this, and tack it up. Ready to go. This thing's gonna look good. Gonna look real good. Gotta get my down bars ready. I'm excited. So, welder time it is. Alright, so I just checked all the measurements on the halo and main hoop and everything. Made sure everything was centered and the right height from the roof on each side and everything like that. I gotta pull this one bar in whenever I'm gonna weld it, because this main hoop isn't like completely tacked like solid, so it's moving around a little bit. So that's gonna be just the only problem I have, really. In fact. And then the other side is tight, real tight. I like it. I'm gonna tack it up real quick, and the strap's holding it, so should be good. Alright, so I just tacked in the hard side. Kind of had to do that with both hands. So I'm gonna tack in this other side so y'all can see. She's in there. Alright, so right up here, I had to pull that one together a little bit, see if you can see it. And this one, I just tacked it up. 2 little spots. Then I got to pull the whole thing down to weld in everything else. So, it's in here though. Getting a lot closer, I'm getting pumped. Woo! Alright, so that wraps up the video. It's all in there and everything, but it's not, welded solid. But I just got a little bit left to do, and it'll be pretty much full cage. So comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate all the feedback that I've been getting here and there, and hopefully y'all like the next video. It'll be coming very soon. The faster I get stuff in, the faster I'll make videos. So thank y'all for watching. Anger out.